Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see the color creation of neon carrot acrylic. Because of this color creation, I am picking little crimson lake, some pyroli orange and more lemon yellow, spun it well together using a knife. Finally, we are going to get our desired color. Today we can see an easy calm sunset lake acrylic painting. So I am taking 10 by 12 canvas board and brushes size 22 and 20 flat, round brush size 400, stencil brush size 6 and sponge 2. The colors which I already created, neon carrot and white and black. White and black colors both common for all. Here I am using wet flat brush size 22 and picking some neon carrot and a little black, spun it well together and begin my painting top of the canvas board. Using sweeping horizontal brush strokes just to give a little more even pressure to the brush. Now I am using flat brush size 20, moist the brush and picking some neon carrot, apply middle of the canvas board for the sky background. Using the same sweeping horizontal brush strokes, giving even pressure will help blending the colors together. Always try to wet the brush with a little bit of water during blending. This will help to merge the colors together. Here also I am creating the horizon and I am bringing down this next neon carrot acrylic for the sunlight falling here, and both left and right side, opposite side I am giving little darkish shade for the depth water body like this. Here also now I am starting blending the colors together from lighter to darkish. Blending is nothing but merging of two or more colors on a brush with gradually sweeping horizontal brush strokes from one edge to another edge to get smooth and realistic look to painting. The next step I am going to creating the clouds. Creating floating clouds on the sky, I am going to be using round brush size 4 and picking some neon carrot and white spun it well together and using circular motion brush strokes here to create the base of the clouds little lighter and darkish shade too. For creating fluffy clouds, first I am using taping techniques to create lighter and darker shade of clouds background. Next adding highlights with white, mixing of previous colors using circular brush strokes. Next put a little sunlight to top of these fluffy clouds, making little tiny circles with the corner of brush. Just smoothen up, keep on working and blend it. Now I am picking a little more white mixed with the previous color, spun it well, and we can get very lighter shade of this painting. And now I am going to create sunlight to the bottom of the clouds, smoothen up like this. And here I am going to be creating the forest skyline in the middle of the canvas. So using flat brush size 20, I am picking little neon carrot and little bit of black mixed well together using dabbing techniques, creating the bushes like this just to create the trees also. In this painting, the dawn here, replicate and skyline with the straight brush strokes to give the reflection in the water. Just pull down like this from one corner to the end. After finishing this, then I am creating here some water using more white acrylic and little neon carrot. Mix well together using round brush size 4. Creating here uneven brush strokes for the natural water reflection here. I am adding white here too. This shade just showing you slicing lines. It will imply rippling water. Now we can see here some water in this lake. The next step here to make tree, I am using stencil brush size 6 and picking little black to create distance trees and leaves. If you don't have stencil, you can use small piece of sponge and picking little bit of black acrylic and create like this. Just give lesion pressure to create the bushes and long distance trees effect and the leaves. The sponge to create this using dabbing techniques around here. Among here, I am going to be creating trees, steps and branches also using round brush size 00 to create the trees here. Finally giving leaves on the branches using sponge and picking some neon carrot and a little black spun it well and dabbing here to create the leaves on the branches. Here is dabbing is a painting technique where is mixing of any 1, 2 or more acrylic paint, mixing together then applied to a surface of the canvas using a brushes or sponge in a dabbing motion. Dabbing techniques picking up paint with your brush and dabbing repeatedly on the surface of the canvas. These techniques' beauty lies in the ability to produce a textured appearance resembling variant surfaces, such as softness of clouds, the roughness of tree bark, or the intensity of foliage by varying the pressure and density of the dabbing. You can slowly but surely create stunning composition made just individual dabbing strokes. Finally, I want to create bright spot here, a little dab and white with my finger very lightly and creating the sun also. Create light falling reflection on the rippling water here too. The first thing is understand your medium. Acrylic paints are a versatile and forgiving medium, making them perfect for those just dipping their brushes into the world of landscape painting. They dry quickly, allowing you to layer and blend colors with ease. And they are water soluble, meaning you can adjust their consistency to suit your desired effect. Acrylic medium, the only limit is your imagination. Remember that paints are more than just tools. They are your partners on this creative journey. The more you understand them, the good sketches your roadmap to a successful painting. I am sharing here different brush strokes and techniques for beginners. Here color creating challenging and one color using with the making of painting. here are getting ready for you in my upcoming videos. Stay connected, like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.